power coming in, as you can see. This is the original cable that came with the charger. Here's the Dell charger. Now I want to plug in the cable, which is here. As you can see, not in. Come on, focus. What's going on? Autofocus, come on. So there, plugged it in. You can see it's not working. Just check, it's plugged in all the way. You can see. Now I want to take out, so the plug socket's working. I'm going to use the same cable with my old one, so that you know that the plug's working, the fuse is there. There we go, let's put that there. Take that out. Yeah. My old Dell charger. Yeah. From my other laptop. Oops. Plug that in. Come on. There. Plugged in. Yeah. Still got the original cable. Let's move that away. There. Now let's get the cable. There. Plugged in. There. You can see it's charging. There's the old laptop. Oh, sorry, new one. That's my old one plugged in. Oops. With the new cable. So that means the new cable plug is working. The socket is working.